Sound. Adjective. Healthy. He was safe and sound. Sound. Adjective. Complete, solid, or secure. Fred assured me the floorboards were sound. Sound. Adjective. Heavy, laid on with force. A sound beating. Sound. Adjective. Founded in law, legal, valid, not defective. A sound title to land. Sound. Adverb. Soundly. Sound. Noun. A sensation perceived by the ear caused by the vibration of air or some other medium. Sound. Noun. A vibration capable of causing such sensations. Sound. Noun. Noise without meaning, empty noise. Sound. Verb. To produce a sound. When the horn sounds, take cover. Sound. Verb. To be conveyed in sound, to be spread or published, to convey intelligence by sound. Sound. Verb. To cause to produce a sound. He sounds the instrument. Sound. Noun. The air bladder of a fish. Cod sounds are an esteemed article of food. Sound. Noun. A cuttlefish. Sound. Verb. Dive downwards, used of a whale. Sound. Verb. To ascertain, or try to ascertain, the thoughts, motives, and purposes of a person, to examine, to try, to test, to probe. When I sounded him, he appeared to favor the proposed deal. Sound. Verb. Test, ascertain the depth of water with a sounding line or other device. Mariners on sailing ships would sound the depth of the water with a weighted rope. Sound. Noun. A long, thin probe for sounding body cavities or canals such as the urethra. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.